Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best set of shelves available on the market, the BAYKA floating shelves for wall. If you're looking for a combination of style, functionality, and durability, these shelves might just be the perfect fit for your home. First off, the BAYKA floating shelves feature a modern and simplistic design that easily blends with any room decor. Whether you want to enhance your bathroom, bedroom, living room, kitchen, or even your office, these shelves bring a sleek, rustic charm that's both attractive and versatile. The rustic wood finish in black offers a matte look that complements contemporary as well as country-style interiors, making them a true all-rounder. Now, these shelves are made from engineered wood, which is treated with a protective sealant. This sealant not only keeps the shelves looking pristine but also protects them from warping and damage caused by moisture or wear and tear. This is especially important for spaces like bathrooms or kitchens where humidity can be a concern. Measuring 15.7 inches in length, these shelves provide ample space for a variety of uses. You can display your favorite books, plants, or decorative items, or use them for practical storage. The choice is yours. The depth and width give enough room to store a combination of decor and everyday items without cluttering your space. One of the standout features is their load-bearing capacity. Each shelf can hold up to 22 pounds, which is impressive for floating shelves of this size. Of course, this capacity depends on the type of wall you mount them on and how well they are installed, but with the included hardware for wooden or brick walls, you can expect a sturdy and secure fit. For drywall, you might need to get additional mounting hardware to ensure maximum stability. Installation is straightforward with hidden brackets that keep the mounting hardware out of sight, preserving the clean, floating effect. This design not only looks great but also allows you to focus on what you display on the shelves rather than the brackets themselves. This set comes with 3 shelves, so you have plenty of options for arranging them vertically or horizontally, depending on your space and needs. The uniform size of each shelf makes it easy to create a balanced and cohesive look on any wall. In terms of style, the country rustic vibe is subtle yet impactful. It adds warmth and character to your room without overwhelming the existing decor. The matte finish also prevents glare, which helps your displayed items stand out beautifully. To sum it up, the BAYKA floating shelves deliver on aesthetics, durability, and practicality. They're designed for medium-sized spaces but can easily fit into small or large rooms as well, offering versatile storage and display solutions. Whether you want to organize your bathroom essentials, showcase your book collection, or add decorative touches to your living area, these shelves are a reliable choice that balances form and function effortlessly. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in upgrading your storage with these elegant and sturdy floating shelves, check out the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews and insights. See you next time.